big card that I submitted. This is not numbered. It is out of retail. As you can see already, it's Shohei Ohtani, but he actually has a couple of really good parallel cards in the retail boxes. And funny story behind this one, I was actually in a break and I had, I think, the Detroit Tigers, and they were breaking this Topps Platinum anniversary, and I did not get anything basically out of that box. So the breaker, I believe on Whatnot, ended up giving me a free pack, and this is what I got out of that free pack. So flip it around, there it is. Gold Prism Refractor Shohei Ohtani Gem Mint 10 out of 2022 Platinum Anniversary. Just a beautiful card. And again, I was very surprised when I got all of my cards back from this submission specifically, and all of them came back Gem Mint 10. So pretty awesome submission there. And of course, that one probably is the best of all of them. So, but yeah, I will post towards the end of this video my next